French Broad River. You can actually see the river right back over in there on the other side of the guardrail where the road is 2 feet underwater. Here it's coming across this road. This is Glen Bridge Road Southeast, or Short Glen Bridge, or something like that. Anyhow, it's typically not underwater. I've never seen this thing this far under, ever. Incredible. And no, I'm not standing in water, I'm standing on dry ground. But I'm surrounded. French Broad River at Glen Bridge Road. No, actually, French Broad River on Glen Bridge Road.